In this video, we will look at recording payouts made to consignors. You can record a payout from either the dashboard or the history page. The amount value will automatically fill out with the consignor's current balance, though we can change that if we want to. And the date value will automatically fill into today, although we can also edit that if we need to. And then we have some notes that we can add. And now this shows up in the consignment history, and even after the payout is made, we can still edit it or even delete it if we need to. And the payout also updates the payouts and balance fields in the dashboard. By default, ThriftCart computes the balances as a total across all store locations. However, if you choose to do so, ThriftCart has an option to record balances and payouts by location. This allows you to track a consignor's balance by location rather than a single aggregate value across all locations, and to make payouts that are assigned to a particular location and only affect the balance at that location. To activate this option, come to Settings and record balances and payouts by location. If you start using this option after some payouts have already been made, this will present the issue of needing to assign the location of existing payouts. To demonstrate the issue, let's take a look at this chart. So at the top we have consignor X. He made $50 worth of commissions from items purchased at store A and $40 worth of commissions from items purchased at store B. This gave him a balance total of $90, and at some point we made a payout to him of $30. However, when we switch to this balance and payouts by location mode, in order to get the balance at store A and store B, we need to know which location this payout applies to, because otherwise we don't know the balance at this individual location. ThriftCart has a mechanism for assigning payouts to a particular location that we'll look at in just a moment. But down here we have consignor Y, who only ever made commissions from items purchased at store A, and then we made this payout of $50. So if we come back here, we see that there's this checkbox for automatically assign all payouts for consignors with only one location. What that will do is it will take the payout for consignor Y, so this payout here, and automatically apply it to store A, because that's the only store that consignor Y ever earned commissions at. So that's a little shortcut to make some of this payout location assigning easier. So if we come back here and click this button and come back to the dashboard, we now see that there's this drop down that allows us to view payout and balance and item data by location. And we can see that for some consignors, the balance at a particular location is unknown because we need to assign payouts to a particular location. So whenever that happens, there'll be this assign payouts button to the right here. We click that. So we can see that this consignor had $18 balance at downtown and $28 at each side, and then we made this payment of $15. But since ThriftCart doesn't know yet if this was meant to apply to downtown or east side, we have to tell it which one it applies to. So let's say we apply this to downtown and click save. And now Patricia Brown's payouts and balances are known at all locations. So we would just need to go through and do that for all the rest of the consignors by going through each of these assign payouts buttons.